This is city.
Cleckheaton is a town in the metropolitan borough of Kirklees in West Yorkshire, England. It is situated approximately 6 miles south of Bradford and 10 miles north of Huddersfield. Cleckheaton is historically known for its association with the textile industry, particularly the production of woolen cloth and carpets. The town has a rich industrial heritage, having been a centre for textile manufacturing during the Industrial Revolution. Today, Cleckheaton remains a vibrant town with a mix of traditional and modern amenities. It has a bustling town centre with a range of shops, restaurants, and cafes, as well as various community facilities and green spaces. Cleckheaton is also known for its annual folk festival, which attracts visitors from near and far to enjoy music, dance, and other cultural activities. The town is well connected by road and public transport, making it easy to access neighbouring towns and cities in the region. Overall, Cleckheaton offers a blend of